similar vibe as hummus, totally different taste, of course. I love it, my latest sort of craze. I keep making it again and again. Just 4 ingredients, and as far as effort versus result, excellent ratio here. Use straight from a freezer, they keep longer like that. I like to have a good stock of walnuts normally. This one got to be garlicky. The garlic goes in from the beginning. The walnuts we want to process to a very fine powder here, as fine as we can. So the blender can't make them any finer than they are. So we start to add our oil. So this is just my cooking olive oil, kind of bland tasting olive oil, or you can use avocado oil. Use something nice here, right? So quite a lot of oil goes here. We want to help processor to process our walnuts finer when adding oil, so we do a little bit to start with and then kind of gradually. Red kidney beans would be better, especially if you process them very briefly. You get coarser kind of texture and it will look very pretty. And a bit of lemon to bring it all together, of course, which lemon does so well. Up to you, to your taste, say this piece of large lemon. And if you have chance, let it stand for a couple of hours. It will mellow and the flavors will mingle together.